Hello everyone, my name is Naveen Verma. In this lecture, I will discuss about ACL. ACL is very most important topic in file permission Linux operating system. First of all, what is ACL? ACL is access control list. It is used to apply permissions on any file or directory with any specific user or group and thus suppose there is an file in my system test and there are different user approximately 5 user in my system x y z a b. X having permission for file 6 and y having permission 4 and z having permission 1 and a having permission 5 and b having permission like 4. So in this case I will use ACL to apply the permission. Let's come on my Linux machine. This is my Linux server. First of all, I will check permission on a file in my Linux machine. See, this is permission etc fstab. The permission is 644. So we can use set facl command to apply the permission. ACL permission. First of all, I check the main page of set facl. Set file access. See, there are very set file access control list. There are various attributes which are using with the set facl command. The most important attributes are -u stand for is used for users and -g used for group and -o is used for others and -m is used for modify. So first of all, I will check the permission with the help of get facl command on etc step file. See, there are no any ACL applied on etc step file. User having permission 6 and group having permission 4 and other having permission 4. Now I will add any user add Harry and set facl for Harry. Set facl -m u Harry and I will apply permission for Harry dot dot dot. So it means permission is 00 for Harry. Step 5. check the permission on etc f step. Now see, normal user having permission read and write for f step, and user Harry having permission null. It means Harry cannot read the file, write the file, and execute the file. And normal group having permission for read, and other having permission for read. Now we can check the permission with the help of ll -ls etc f step. See, if any plus symbol is available in file permission, then it means ACL is applied on that file. So now take the example of in case of group. I create a group add. Group is let's suppose TCS. So in same case I'm using command set facl m/m g for group, and group name is TCS, and permission will be read, write, and file is etc f step. Now check the permission with get facl command. Facl command name file location is etc f step. Now check. User having permission read and write, Harry having permission nil, normal group having permission read, and group TCS having permission read and write. If any member of TCS group, they can read and write the file. Okay, now I will take an example for others. And set facl modify O for others, and xy z is normal user, and permission will be read, write, execute etc f step. Maybe command is not working. So now check the main page of set facl command. Check the attribute O is available or not. I hope permission for others may be not applicable in case of ACL. Now, how to exclude the user from ACL command? For that, for exclude the ACL, we will use set facl -x u and user will be Harry. I already apply the permission for Harry, and etc fstab. Now check the permission with get facl command, etc fstab. Now see, Harry is removed from ACL. If you want to remove ACL from any file, complete ACL, then you will use command set facl hyphen m x etc fstab. Sorry, command is not okay. Then command may be set facl remove all etc fstab. Command is not working, so that I will remove facl with the help of x. Set facl x g, and group name is tcs, and file location is fstab. Now check the is permission on etc fstab. Now see, all ACL permission has been removed from the file. And now check the permission ll hyphen ls etc fstab. Now permission has been removed from ACL. This is all about ACL. Thank you.